Hello, my name is Luis Miguel. I am single. I am from Marquetalia. I'm 19 years old. Um, I am work or I am bed. Okay. Uh, I, I am my studying music or not. I am my free time. In my free time I like to play drums. Okay. Also I usually play piano and really play the guitar. I like Marquetalia. I like in Marquetalia. I am going to tell about this great city. Marquetalia is a small city located in Caldas, Colombia. It's a tourist city. There is a bird show in the Central Park. In Angles, Marquetalia we celebrate the festival the Cordilleras, the Cordillera, where people get together as family. Okay, and where there is per person who heals marketing in the community part. Okay. In conclusion, my city you can visit famous landmark. I always enjoy taking about my city. I am. I hope you can visit us someday. Okay. Thanks for your attention.